Yeah, I want to show you guys something about life. You know, life, the way it seems, baffles a lot of people. And the only difference between the average and the excellent guy is his ability, the excellence guy's ability to come to understand how the world works. There are absolute and many natural laws governing the universe. And your ability to understand these laws, these magnificent natural laws, is what defines who you are in terms of greatness and achievement. When you look at this whole space, when you look at all these places, in the world, there are so many things we can think about. We can talk about great buildings, the skyscrapers. We can talk about cars, machines, inventions, technologies. All these things were made by people who are not smarter than you. People who think, people who have same dreams and same qualities like you. And so, this is how it is. Someone's ability to be able to discover something great in life, or his ability to invent machine, or to discover any scientific ideology, is the fact that he was able to come to understand the world and understand the laws that govern the world. And so, this is how it is. Always in tune with internal conviction, internal abilities, And so, if you understand yourself that you belong to the greatest force ever, you belong to infinite energy. Some people call it God, some people call it cosmos, some people call it like Gestalt or magnificent energy. Like you go to science, we say energy can't be killed or created. It's already in existence and it can be converted from one form to another. And you go to religion, we talk of God. God is same, unchangeable, merciful, and all these things. That is the force you belong to. That is who you are. That is the energy you are attached to. And so, when you come to question the status quo about life, when you come to, defy the things that the people have programmed in the world. For example, we say we live in a universe of scarcity. The universe is never scarcity. It's unmatched in wisdom, intelligence, greatness, in resources. God, in his wisdom, created the universe to incorporate all of us to live a meaningful life, to live life full of grace, life full of, achievement. And there is no way we can be lacking in anything. We have all we need. We have all we need to, to be great in life. So I was listening to Steve Jobs, and he mentioned something that when you begin to understand that life is like a flexible phenomenon, and that you can register your influence on life. You can poke one side of life and something else will pop from the other side. And so you are an influential component of life. That is when the whole difference begins to set in. I do this video most of the time because I believe that if we all can understand who we are and begin to know the laws that govern the world, the whole world can be very, very worthy of living and great. So guys, let us see life in a different perspective than the one we've been programmed with. We've been programmed to live life just as it is, to be scared of authority, to remain static, passive, incapable of acting, to obey the status quo and make it the way it is. If you want to be great and achieve much more in life, then I will tell you that you need to question these things. You need to put question on these things.